Plants that grow in or near water bodies like lakes and rivers are called water plants or aquatic plants. Aquatic plants can be grouped into different categories depending upon their features. Let us now look at these categories one by one. Submerged plants are rooted in the soil bed of the water body. They are usually found entirely submerged in the water. However, sometimes flowers and fruits may rise above the surface of water. Hydrilla and Vallisneria are some examples of submerged plants. Rooted floating plants are rooted to the waterbed. The leaves and flowers float on the surface of water. Lotus and lily are rooted floating plants. Watch this underwater video. The large leaves of water lilies spread out on the surface of water to get as much sunlight as possible. Under the water, observe the long, thin stems. Can you guess the name of this fruit? Yes, this is water chestnut, and in India it is called singhara. Did you know that water chestnut is the fruit of a rooted floating plant? Free floating plants freely float in and on water. The roots dangle in the water like in the case of duckweed and water hyacinth plants. Duckweed is light and small. Water hyacinth has swellings on the leaf which are filled with air. They form heavy mats on the surface of water that jam rivers and lakes. Emergent plants emerge or have a large portion of their vegetative portions, such as shoots, leaves, or flowers, out of the water. They grow on the edges of water bodies. Cattail is an emergent plant. Did you know that emergent plants like wild rice can be eaten too? Aquatic plants have an important role to play in our environment. They provide habitat for fish and other aquatic animals and food to aquatic birds, and also reduce shoreline erosion. With this, we have come to the end of this module. Here is a recap of what we've learnt.